Hello everyone, it is your girl Linda Sims, the Who Dat teacher from New Orleans, Louisiana. Of course, I am back to teach you another line dance. The name of the dance is just My Way. It is a full wall dance, easy peasy for beginners, moving counterclockwise. If you're interested in cardio line dancing classes in the New Orleans area, please call 504-251-0674. Just wanted to say thank you for everyone supporting the NOLA Southern Experience, July the 11th through the 14th, 2024. It is a sold out event, and thank you very kindly for your support. We have the website up with the event itinerary and also the playlist. So go and visit our website at www.LMIUNOLA.com. Scroll down at the bottom and you'll see all the information you need to know. Are you ready? Let's go. So we're going to stand on this side of the room, and instructors, this is a great dance to do for those new people that just come in. You don't have to really stop and teach this dance. You can just call it out on the floor. And that's very important to incorporate those dances into your playlist so you can keep your class moving. Okay? So we're going to go with alternating heels. Is heel and heel on the right and the left. Then we're going to add a double right and a double left. Up, back, up, back, up, back, up, back. So we do singles and then we do doubles. Here we go. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. Right, 5, 6, 7, 8. Left, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay? Now we're going to move it back. Out, cross, back. Out, cross, back. Out, cross, back. Out, cross, back. And we're going to do that 4 times. Okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 5, 6, from the top. Right here. Right, left, double right. Right, right, double, double, double. Out, cross, back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Okay? So you see how we moved up and we move back and back? Most of the time we move forward and then we come back. But this time we're going back and then we're going to move forward. So we're going to shuffle up on the right, right, left, right, and then do the same thing on the left. Left, right, left. And that's moving us forward. Okay? 5, 6, 7. Shuffle up. Right, left, right, left, right, left. Okay, so let's put that together. So basically we're doing alternating heels on the right and left, and then we're doing a double on the right, double on the left, and then we're moving back, out, cross back, out, cross back, doing that 4 times. Then we shuffle up on the right, right, left, right, and left, right, left. Okay, let's put that together. 5, 6, 7 on the right. It's 1, 2, 3, 4. Double. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. Move it back. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. Move it forward. 5 and 6, 7 and 8. Yes? From here, we're going to do a pivot turn. Step pivot turn on the right. Right full turn. 1, 2, and 3, and 4. Okay? Those who don't want to turn, you can just do a rocking chair. Up 1, 2, 3, 4. Right, left, right, left. So instructors, if you don't want, if your students don't want to do that full turn, step pivot turn on the right, with the right shoulder coming forward, coming back to the same wall, they can do a rocking chair. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4. Now it's time to turn to our left. Quarter turn left. The dance moves counterclockwise. So we're going to do a jazz square on that right, crossing right over left, and going to a quarter turn to our left. Right, left, right, left. 4 steps. Crossover. Right, left, right, left. Cross, step back on your left, step back back on your right, and then step on your left. And that's the dance. And the dance starts over from the top. Okay, so what we did that step, pivot, turn. With the right shoulder coming back. Coming forward. 1, 2, 3, 4. So you do that 2 times. Okay? And then you do your turn. 5, 6, 7, 8. Now, let's put it all together from here. Let's do a review. The weight is on the left, we do alternate heels. 1, 2, 3, 4. Double right. 5, 6, 7, 8. Left. 1, 2, 3, 4. We move it back. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. We shuffle up. 5 and 6, 7 and 8. Step, pivot, turn. 1, 2, 3, 4. Trying to turn onto our left. Cross 5, back 6, step 7 and 8. Okay? Now, this just want to bring to your attention, especially to the new people. This tap right here, this step right here, you go tapping out and coming back to the midline, to your midline. Out, come in. Out, come in. Tap out, come in. So don't put your weight, when you go out, don't put your weight there. Just tap it and then come back to the midline. We're doing that 4 times, okay? So let's do it from this wall here. And we can do it 2 times, and that's pretty much the dance. Here we go. 5, 6, alternating heel, right? 1, 2, 3, 4. Double 5, 6, 7, 8. Left. 1, 2, 3, 4. Bring it back. 5, 6, 7, 8. 2 more. 1, 2, 3, 4. Shuffle up. 5 and 6, 7, 8. Step, pivot, turn. 1, 2. Again. 3, 4. Turn. 5, 6, 7, 8. Start over. Heel. 1, 2, 3, 4. Double. 5, 6, 7, 8. On the left. 1, 2, 3. Cross it back. 5, 6, 7, 8. 2 more. 1, 2, 3, 4. Shuffle up. 5 and 6, 7, 8. Step in return. 1, 2, 3, 4. Jazz square to your left. 5, 6, 7, and 8. So in on the left. Put your weight on the left. That is the dance. Full wall and just keep it going, okay? That is just my way. As a friendly reminder, if you want the step-by-step, if you want to dance with me, and make sure you have the samples together, right here, click on this video and we can dance together. Leave me a comment, let me know what you think. Also, make sure you subscribe. Okay, my name is Linda Sims. I am the Houdat teacher from New Orleans, Louisiana. I thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.